Sets like $4.
Well, those orange gloves, I get those from work. They're just rubber gloves, but they got texture on them, so you can grab hold of stuff. And they're throwaways, so I mean they're free.
I let him right into that one. I only use those, so I don't know it's me doing it.
Y'all probably seen it. The guy put his hand on one of those expanded metal grates.
What's the matter, Dilly?
No, Chad.
Just take the thing with you over there.
Parker.
It was like we knew this shit was gonna happen, dude.
Stupid Jack.
Broke that mother. Now it's broke.
You're pretty graceful.
Very, very.
Hey, you want my bucket now?
Busted.
Bucket.
No, I'm gonna walk around here with him and see if we can rustle something up.
What do you mean? Give you a bucket to sit on, then you can get in there and do your work. Now.
Shorty, what you doing?
I'm trying to get off this rocking chair. Huh?
I thought you was gonna mash your head on that thing. Oh shit! Oh man, I should at least be able to.
Come on.
Brake caliper off. You got a grease gun. We can grease it. I got a fitting.
I have a grease gun with no grease.
I got grease. I have no grease gun.
I didn't get the grease stove. I sit it on my bench.
Fucked up.
Sit on my bench to grab it.
He says, let's.
Right.
You know, you can see that we're over here. You got your camera on, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm recording, brother. Swampy ass.
This is for my homies who couldn't.
That's it. That's it. This axle is dedicated to you, Swampy.
I'm gonna get it, but this is a two-person deal because this thing weighs 8 pounds on the back of it.
10 pounds. Wait.
Pretty good.
Uh-oh. He got it. Dude, this is must-see TV right here. Guaranteed. Oh, watch your fingers.
Alright.
Yank that bitch up on out of there.
No, I know, I'm not open. We need to put that right breaker board?
We can.
You're the one that told me, hey, we need to put a breaker board right here.
Watch this shit. Thank you, Chad. I knew that bottom one wasn't tight enough.
Saw it coming, he said.
That's it.
I've seen a lot of bikes broke down, man. You ride around this way, you see them everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
Tore up.
A lot of Polarises. But you know, they have parts for Polarises out here.
Yeah.
Can-Ams, you can't find the parts out here. It's so rare that they break something, you know. They just don't carry it.
Alright, so y'all went through black and orange?
Yeah.
We're probably gonna ride a little bit before they think at 3 o'clock it'll start raining. So we'll probably get riding a little bit.
So we're gonna start riding at 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Around 3 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
But we'll be back by then.
All right. Hey, you ain't gotta slam that shit out of it. You know, it's like an impact. You give it a couple of light little taps and work it. Yeah. You don't sit there and slam on it. There you go. See, that one's not staying locked in. Put that bitch on there tight.
It's the little clip taps on the middle for it.
Oh.
Here, let me get in there and hold it.
Just change the blinker fluid. Let's go.
It is coming.
It is coming. It's out there pretty good right now.
Is it?
Look at it.
Oh shit, it is. Oh,
It's coming.
Broke the spline loose. Tough out.
I can't see it.
Huh?
I can't see.
Put it back on there one time and give it a good whack.
You two fucktards over there.
Sometimes it's the funniest shit you can
Don't
do.
y'all want to ride or something?
We do. We're waiting on you.
Yes, we do want to ride. Do you want to ride?
I see why you bought.
Come towards the back. There you go. It's moved out. It's got to be loosening that pin up. It's out like that. Come on, you trying?
Shit, man, I want to drink water or something.
Yeah, bro, ain't no fucking brakes in this. Oh, yeah. Get this shit done.
Hey, what?
They ain't all worried about the water, right? Water in them.
I knew this was going to be entertaining. That's why I turned the GoPro on.
Big time.
We'll get in shape.
Okay. I give you a backup.
Put on this end.
Well, we think we get into something.
You don't have a breaker ball?
Well, we got into something.
Oh, no, he just needs a ratchet.
Oh,
On the back side of it.
Yeah. Shorty come shit on me this morning, so I just went to do a job.
shorty what? Shorty what?
See?
What? All I said was grow up here, little man. God damn, look at that. Huh?
It didn't have a spot of mud on it. You notice that?
Oh, yeah. I definitely noticed that. They're the boys.
You're gonna need a box in or something.
Y'all make it around the whole park last month?
We made it to a bunch of different color trails, but we have no clue where the hell we were.
On the blue one?
We fixing to. We went on it yesterday,
Sure
but
y'all be done by now.
it's more shaded than the rest, so we're gonna hit that while it's hot.
Back now.
I'll run back there with y'all. Y'all going.
Just waiting on Dilly.
Waiting on me.
Here, will you move
I
that?
can tell you what hole's not dead. I know that.
Oh, trust me, I got a nose for the ones that I can't hit. So where y'all went right? By the black and orange and all that? Yeah, that's where we went this morning. It was pretty fun.
That blue truck's real. I just came out of it.
Right.
Yeah, if y'all don't mind, we'll tag along with y'all.
Hey, we got a few that are still rallying their machines, but we'll be here in a little bit. We'll be taking off. So,
Probably hanging out over there a little bit.
all right.
Let me go see if I got a 18 in my bag. I got it. He should have do is fix this. All that weed he smokes, he's good.
There it goes.
Told you to use the goddamn impact. Like watching Misfit Garage.
You got it. Go ahead. It's coming out.
Good job. Told you to put the. Didn't I tell him that? Right?
Got it?
Yeah.
No listening skills.
Bot just throwing the camera.
That's a pro lift too.
Yeah.
Holy shit. We pro lift it up.
You need a strap or a rope?
Or Jack.
Well, we're gonna pick that spring up out of there. Where's the jack at? Come put it under here so when I take this off it don't fall and bust the brake line. There's the castles that are there.
You gotta slide it down.
I read mine.
Locked out? Well, it's still here. Hold on, watch your tape. Is that enough? Hold on.
There it goes. I seen it go straight. Well, thought it did.
Hit it with a little jack. Hit the jack up a little bit. Now we got it, Jack.
Just be glad you're not doing this in the dirt.
All right, now what?
You gotta get the spring out of your way.
It's out of the way. We don't need anything. Check it out. My shit.
And then pull the bottom one off.
Damn.
Drop that jack. Drop that bottom one off.
Damn. This is too hard.
You can try to get the other one back in. It'll pivot out.
Think that axle go in there and then pop in there?
Maybe.
That's one way to find the fuck out.
I don't think you're gonna flop it in the bottom one.
Oh, I'm gonna flop it in the bottom. All right.
I'll just start with the bottom one.
Yeah.
Strap on the strap away too.
That was the closest one I seen that had something on it.
Them rhinos, boy. Huh? Am I recording still? Cool.
It's Frito pie time.
Hottest point of the day my ass is going where there's a ton of shade.
Oh, the orange and black.
There's a lot of open area over
Yeah,
there.
it was 90% of it.
What is it?
Better have some sunscreen on you.
The black means it's cold to hell.
It's mostly roads.
Oh, really?
Like they went on each road.
I know they're wanting to go to the beer store. That's on the green trail.
They had a chain across the trail to go to it when we passed, like it wasn't open.
Oh, no shit.
Do they
Yeah.
sell beer or just like, it's like I think it's like a bar, isn't it?
It's
Well,
a
they
ball.
said they sold.
This is
Oh,
Jack.
they seem to think that they sold cases.
They
I thought it
might.
was just a bar.
Yeah, yeah.
Hold up, hold up.
No, there's a Walmart 2 miles down the road.
Yeah, there's a liquor store too.
Hey, Shorty just said that beer store he thinks is more just a bar than a beer store.
Hang on.
It's a
Got
it's a
give me a
country club.
flathead.